There's nothing I hate more than being cold at night. I'm pretty warm. I had to bust out all the blankets. Thankfully, last night should be the last time I gotta deal with that. Alright, come on, diesel heater. One last chance before I get rid of you forever. Yeah, I knew it wasn't gonna start, but I figured I'd give it one last try. Alright, let's get up.
Fuzzy white haze and the asphalt was a leak. Sand, it was a grayish shade of blue. The spiritual desire wise later. The evening met the only fall we
Alright, I'm on my way down to Rich and Taylor's shop right now to install the new Go Westy gas furnace. I'm really excited because this thing should be so much more reliable than the cheap diesel heater that I have in here currently. It should be a pretty easy install, so I'm hoping we can swap it out quick and I can get back to the mountains to catch some snow tomorrow.
And further out to sea, I heard the birds' wings over me, vibrations in the air to my ears. The sun was rising, sleeping low, the day was settled up to go. The desert's lonely nightfall disappeared. The raven flies through the desert skies, is wiser than you or me. The birds have a peace, a stillness of sleep. The desert raven, he has poetry. Close your eyes and fly. Let the diamonds of the night, crystal blue will turn to ruby red. The plants become a maze under the heaven, starry hills. Pegasus, he
Feels good.
overhead.
Oh, that's gonna be so good. I can't wait. No more freezing my butt off. Alright guys, so I didn't have much time to film anything because I left the shop so late and got to camp in the dark, but I woke up in an absolute blizzard and couldn't be more excited because it's a nice warm like 63 degrees in here. So I would say first night with the new gas furnace is an absolute success. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I tried out something a little bit different with this video, so let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked it, hit it with a like, that really helps the channel out. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep getting all geared up here, go and cover the van, and go catch some snowboarding.